you can use to up your Snapchat game. Now these are a few hacks that I found out by scrolling through different videos on YouTube and also on different blogs, and few I discovered myself. So these are a few things that you can use, and if you like these kind of videos, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first Snapchat hack that I'm going to be showing you guys is how to cover your face with an emoji while the video is playing. The emoji moves with your face. So basically you attach the emoji with your face. So that's how you do it.
Alright guys, so for this you gotta have to open Snapchat and record a video. Now you're gonna select this icon on top and select any emoji of your choice, and then place it anywhere where you want the emoji to appear, and just hold the emoji right there. And this loading kind of thing happens, and then you're good to go. The emoji will only appear when your face comes on the screen.
The next hack I'm going to show you guys is how to record a video without holding the button on Snapchat, and this is something that you can only do it on an iPhone, because this is with the help of an iPhone feature called Assistive Touch. This is not a Snapchat hack, but you can use this to record a video on your iPhone.
Alright guys, so go to Settings, go to General, Accessibility, and then go to Assistive Touch. Select Create a New Gesture and form a circle kind of a gesture, as close to a circle as possible until it says stop. Then it's going to trace your circle, and then after it does that, go to Save and save your gesture. Once you're done with that, name your gesture, for example Snapchat. Also make sure that your Assistive Touch feature has the custom icon on it. You can do that by selecting the custom icon right there. Right, now go to Snapchat and open your Assistive Touch. Select Snapchat and then place it on the record button, and there you go guys, it's going to record on its own. You don't have to actually hold it.
How do you screenshot someone's snap without letting them know? So when you do this, the notification doesn't go to them that someone has screenshot your picture. So that's very sneaky.
Alright guys, make sure that your phone is on flight mode. Open your snap and then take a screenshot. Once you take a screenshot, double click on your home button and then press your power button until it shows this. Then hold your home button until it shows the screen back again. That's this. So it basically just resets your Snapchat. Right, so now you're just going to turn off the flight mode and get your phone back to normal. As you know that there won't be any notifications under the person that you've taken a screenshot. I know this guys because I've tried it myself and it works.
Now I'm going to be showing you how to get all the letters that you use to write some code or whatever you've written on your Snapchat picture with a different color.
Alright guys, open Snapchat, just write anything you want to write. And then just select the color palette. Just select one particular letter you want to. For example, I selected G, and then select the color you want it to be. Like that, you can select any letter and color it in any different color you want to. And it looks really pretty guys, because you can make different creations out of it. You can make rainbows, you can make different white and black designs.
The next hack is very simple. This one is how do you change your time filter to a date filter. That is, for example, from time to the current date.
Right guys, it's the simplest thing ever. You just have to select the time filter and then press on it once, you get this one, twice, you get this one. That's it.
The next hack that I'm going to show you guys is how do you get customized filter for your Snapchat. Now this is basically unlimited. You can use unlimited filters because this is with the help of an emoji. So you have your customized filters and no one knows how you did that.
For this guys, just take a video or a photograph, select any emoji you want to. For example, I selected this purple one because I wanted a purple one. And now zoom it up as long as you can till it just becomes almost transparent, so you can see the picture but the color of the emoji still remains on the screen. For example, I'm selecting two of them so I can create a different ombre kind of a pattern. So I selected pink and purple.
The next hack is a very simple hack. I think most of the people know this hack. This is how to get different colors on your color palette, because the color palette that shows on the Snapchat is quite a few colors, but with this you can use actually unlimited amount of colors to color your, to draw on your this thing, or basically just write a code.
For this guys, open the color palette by selecting the pencil shaped icon. When you bring it all the way down to the bottom left, you get black. When you take it all the way up to the top left, you get white. And when you bring it in the middle by selecting any color, you get a lighter version of the color you already have on your color palette. So for this, you can do any colors you want to do and you can create beautiful creation.
The next thing I'm going to show you guys how you draw something with the help of an emoji.
For this cute hat, you're gonna have to select any emoji you want to. For example, I selected this one. It's too cute, but I wanted to draw this myself. So what you're gonna have to do is just use the pencil icon and just trace the emoji. Basically just use the emoji in the form of a stencil and just basically just get the same exact emoji in the form of a drawing. Now this is not exactly an hack, guys, it's just for fun. You can actually do different things with this, and you want to be a little on the creative side and have fun with Snapchat, then you can use this. It's a really fun thing to do, and you can actually have some personalized stuff that you can send to your friends.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you actually didn't know even a single one of them, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it would really make my day, and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helped you guys, but a few of them you might as well know. So that's it. Thank you so much guys. Bye.